Everyone thinks the best-selling corner TV wall mount is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, USX Star Corner Mount. The USX Star Corner TV wall mount caught my attention with its long 32-inch extension arm and solid build. Priced at $44.99, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to optimize their corner space. If you want a reliable mount that can handle TVs up to 84 inches, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It holds up to 100 pounds, which means you can confidently mount larger TVs without worrying. Its full motion feature allows for a +5 degrees to degrees tilt and a +/90 degrees swivel, giving you the flexibility to adjust based on your seating arrangement. With 408 reviews averaging 4.7 stars, it's clear that many users appreciate its durability and safety features. Now, some people complained about its installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the clear instructions provided, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for you, especially considering the price and quality. This is perfect for you if you have a larger TV and want a sturdy mount that saves space. Skip this one if you have a smaller TV or only need a basic mount. For under $45, it's a solid value. Now, if the USX Star's installation complexity bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Perlagear Corner Mount. Next up is the Perlagear Corner TV wall mount, which impressed me with its enhanced security features and robust design. At $64.99, it's a bit pricier but totally worth it for peace of mind when mounting your TV. If you want a secure and flexible mount for TVs up to 75 inches, this one deserves your attention. What stands out about this mount is its capability to hold TVs up to 100 pounds with a UL-listed design. This means it's built for safety. It extends 32.37 inches out from the wall and allows for a -15 degrees to +5 degrees tilt, plus a +/90 degrees swivel, making it easy to adjust for different viewing angles. The 2,000+ reviews averaging 4.8 stars indicate that users love how it accommodates various wall types, concrete, brick, or wood studs, making it very versatile. Some users noted that the mounting process could be confusing due to the number of parts. But honestly, if you take your time and follow the user-friendly manual, it's a minor hurdle for the level of quality you're getting here. This is perfect for you if you need a secure and flexible option for a mid-sized TV. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but at around $65, it's great value for the quality you receive. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious shoppers. Product number 3, USX Mount Corner Mount. The USX Mount Corner TV wall mount is next, and it really caught my eye with its affordability and solid build. Priced at $45.99, it's very accessible for those looking to maximize their corner spaces. If you're after a well-built mount for TVs up to 65 inches, this is worth considering. The arm extends 31.22 inches, giving you a lot of flexibility, and it features a tilt range of degrees to +5 degrees plus a +/90 degrees swivel. With 3,700 reviews averaging 4.7 stars, lots of buyers have praised its sturdy design and ease of installation. However, some users mention that the tilt angle could be limited depending on their wall setup. Here's the thing though, as long as your wall allows for it, the flexibility and space-saving features make it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you have a mid-sized TV and want something reliable that won't break the bank. Skip this one if your TV exceeds 65 inches, but for just under $46, it's an excellent bargain. Now, if the USX mount's compatibility with smaller TVs isn't what you need, you'll want to check out the next option. Product number 4, PERLESMITH Corner Mount. The PERLESMITH Corner TV wall mount is up next, and it's hard to overlook its outstanding value at just $36.99. This mount is a fantastic choice for anyone with a smaller TV looking for an affordable, reliable option. If you need a corner mount for TVs up to 65 inches, this one is a steal. It supports VESA patterns from 100x100 to 400x400 and holds up to 70 pounds, which is solid. The tilt feature of +5 degrees to -15 degrees and a +/90 degrees swivel gives you decent flexibility for viewing angles. With over 30,000 reviews averaging 4.7 stars, it's clear that many users appreciate the balance of functionality and price. But honestly, with its pre-assembled design, it significantly reduces installation steps, making it easier than many comparable options. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly mount for a smaller TV. Skip this one if you need something for a larger screen, but at $36, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if the PARLESMITH's lower weight limit is a concern for you, there's one more option that might work better. Product number 5, Pipashell Corner Mount. Finally, we have the Pipashell Full Motion TV Wall Mount, which stands out for its adaptability and low price of $26.99. If you want a corner mount that can fit most TVs and don't want to break the bank, this one should catch your eye. It supports TVs from 26 to 65 inches with a weight limit of 77 pounds, which is impressive for the price. The mount features a tilt of +5 degrees to -15 degrees and a +/90 degrees swivel, allowing for good viewing flexibility. With 12,300 reviews averaging 4.7 stars, users appreciate its solid construction and ease of installation, making it a popular choice. However, some users did mention that the height adjustment feature felt limited. Here's the thing, for most setups, it's still versatile enough to find a comfortable viewing angle. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable option for a smaller TV without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you have a larger TV, but at $27, it's an unbeatable price. In conclusion, whether you're looking for a solid mount for a large TV or a budget-friendly option for a smaller screen, these 5 mounts cover a range of needs and budgets. So we've covered a range of corner TV wall mounts today. From the sturdy USX Star to the ultra-affordable Pipashell, there's something for everyone. Remember to consider your TV size, mounting location, and budget when making your choice. Happy mounting!